Look what I ran into on the corner.
And we're matching.
Oh my god. Where are we going?
We're going to our fitting.
We're going to the fitting. It's Wednesday, fitting for New York Swimming, which is how we met. I became friends like 3 years ago.
So happy to see you.
Okay, where are we going?
I'm 5, she said.
I'm 4 upstairs. This will be my first look Saturday.
It's blah, blah, blah.
Megan May, Miami on Saturday, and we've been friends for a while, so I'm super excited to walk with her on Saturday. And my look.
Beautiful. This is the color Sapphire, and she's wearing swimsuit style gold. It is absolutely gorgeous. She looks stunning. She's got these little detailing of the circle gems. It looks so cute. And it's for the Ice Cream collection coming out. So excited!
Lifetime. I'm now in 7 shows today, so it's going to be a really long, crazy day. Hopefully no rain. It's all outside, but I'm super, super excited and so excited to see everyone. I'm doing that one, this one in the day, nighttime, this one, this one. Yep. Straight through here. I feel like a goody goody gum job. That's gonna be my Instagram caption with this look.
Can you take?
Oh my god.
She's so famous.
Ooh, look at Jasmine getting glam. She cute. She cute. Hey Victoria, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. And I'm gonna, oh, hi. There we go. Wow. Getting ready to go up. First look on in 3 of the day shows. And back to back, so hopefully, I think we're supposed to like run back down here and change, but hopefully they bring them up there. But yeah, I'm excited. Oiled up, getting all greased up. Are you girls ready? All right, it's hot in here. What are you doing? I'm a space girl. Yeah, they have chairs for us back here waiting. So nice. Sit. I like to blush, so now we're gonna swim.
I look like a cherub.
Everyone 3 is up. 3 is up. Maybe one. Cute. Well, showtime. Down there.
And I'm neon till you took my place. You were a friend of me, so I got to see your face. Yeah, keep.
The dedication of this photographer. Just changed really quick in my next look, and we're doing the second show. Then I'm jumping into show number 3, and then I'll have a little break before the next show.
was ready right this minute. Do you think that it would turn you on?
You're something beautiful, electric chemical. You take my breath away, feel my emotions push and pull. Shooting stars in your eyes, you're bringing me to life. Love how you say my name, you make it feel like.
Look at everyone's looks. She's got pinwheels. Oh my gosh, these are all so cute. I've got this, but I lost my lollipop. Based in New York City. Look at us. Oh, lollipop. Cuties. Lady Gold Designs. Locust.
I just can't stop the feeling.
Okay, I'm back after the day show. I took a hiatus. I had a major headache. I was so overwhelmed. There were so many people everywhere. So I'm ready for the night show. Just promotions. I'm closing the show. So super excited. Look at the moons. It's all the faces of the moons. Can't really show you out here, but you can kind of see people out there and all that. It's windy. Just already walked? You guys walked? Still waiting.
moving in quick. Look how fast those clouds are coming in. Oh boy.
Ready for this one's second to last. We're gonna have one more. I'm starting to get so excited. Super pizza. You're so cute. Who is that? The director. He's the best.
I love you, Mom.
Oh my god, these are so cute. Which designer is this? Pink Melon. Pink Melon is cute. Look at all these boys. Oh my god. It is downpouring right now. Right before it ends. Dan Monsoon. Oh my god. Oh well. Wow, they all just walked in the storm. Ah, you guys are soaking wet.
Barefoot it is. The runway's slick, so no heels, because or else we go right in the pool. What do you have to say to the people of YouTube?
That's the one who we can thank for putting together that awesome show right there. It'll be added to all of our videos.
Oh yeah.
And you know it's amazing. People were cheering. They wanted to did a great job.
We're back out here. No shoes.
Creative fashion to design luxurious bikinis for salty beach days.
Hands are in my denim, but your heart's not with them. Tearing up the thought of all the pieces missing. And I try to know better, to know it's worse. I swear I'm cursed, cause I know you're bad for me, but it makes no difference.
Slay queen!
Group pose by the screen. Prepare yourself. Group pose by the screen.
What a pretty, pretty sunset. That's a wrap, baby! Post-show pizza, baby.
You earned that pizza, girls.
Let's go.